In this tip, we'll see how to translate a character to another using translate and maketrans methods. The translate method accepts a table of code points mapped to another character or code point. You can use a none mapping to delete those characters. You can use the built-in OR function to get the code point of characters. Let's say I have a string, have a nice day. I want to map lowercase a to uppercase a, lowercase e to uppercase e, and I want to delete the lowercase I character. So let's build the mapping manually. We can use the translate method. So let's map lowercase a, whose code point is 97, to uppercase a, and lowercase e is 101. This time let's just specify the character directly, and for the character I can map it to none so that it will be deleted. So you can see lowercase a have been changed to uppercase a, lowercase e have been changed to uppercase e, and I has been deleted. Instead of building this mapping manually, you can also use the maketrans method. So the first argument is a collection of characters. The second argument is the corresponding mapping, and optionally you can specify characters in the third argument if they have to be deleted. So you get the same mapping as we defined manually, and let's verify that we get the same output. Next, let us see how to delete punctuation characters. You can use the punctuation constant from the string module. So these are the punctuation characters defined in this variable, and suppose this is my input string. To simply delete all the punctuation characters, I can use para.translate and str.maketrans. So I just need to delete some characters. So I can leave the first two arguments as empty, and the third argument will be punctuation. So all these punctuation characters have now been removed. I'll give one more example. Suppose I want to delete these punctuation characters except full stop, exclamation, and question mark. You can either copy paste the string and remove those particular characters, or you can write an expression which will be easier to modify later. So I'm going to use join, and I'll convert the string into a set and then remove the characters I want to preserve. So dot, exclamation, and question mark. So now if I change this punctuation to this variable, I'll get this result. All punctuations are removed except exclamation, question mark, and full stop. Hope you enjoy this tip.